Create a new Clipic in 3 easy steps. First, select your video clip. In the second step, you pick a suitable picture. In the third and final step, you can crop the Clipic to your preferred shape. To do this, tap on the Clipic, modify it, and confirm the configuration. For the scan permission, you have several options to choose from. Here, you determine who can scan the printed Clipic, and thus who can view the uploaded video. By clicking on Save, the Clipic is encrypted and uploaded to the Clipic gallery. You can now order the Clipic as a photo product. In this case, the Retro Prints product gets chosen. A great decision. A few days later, the ordered prints arrive. He opens the Clipic app, searches for the QR code, and finds it. He successfully scans the Clipic and brings it to life. Print a world of memories. Print your videos. Print Clipics.